Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect web scraping tools with LinkedIn, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a suitable web scraping tool that meets your needs. Ensure your chosen tool can handle dynamic websites, as LinkedIn uses complex loading techniques. Install the web scraping tool following the provided instructions specific to the software. Create an account on LinkedIn if you do not already have one to access the content you need. Familiarize yourself with LinkedIn's terms of service to avoid any violations when scraping data. Open the web scraping tool and configure the settings. Input the URL of the LinkedIn page you wish to scrape. Set the scraping parameters based on the data you want to collect, such as profile names, job titles, and company information. Test the connection to ensure the tool can successfully navigate the LinkedIn page. Review the HTML structure of the LinkedIn page to identify the data elements you wish to extract. Use the web scraping tool to define the data fields for extraction by selecting the relevant HTML tags. Run the scraping process and monitor its progress for any errors or interruptions. Once the data is extracted, review the extracted information for accuracy and completeness. Export the data to your preferred format, such as CSV, JSON, or Excel, depending on your analysis needs. Perform any necessary data cleaning and transformation to prepare the data for your intended use. Utilize the extracted data for your analysis, research, or business development tasks as needed. Continuously monitor any changes to LinkedIn's structure, as this may require updates to your scraping configuration. Stay informed on the ethical considerations of web scraping to ensure compliance with legal standards. By following these steps, you can effectively connect web scraping tools with LinkedIn for your data extraction needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.